Hey guys, this is Justin Figueroa. I'm a CFI here at Thrust Flight, and today we'll be talking about 3 ways to impress your CFI. The first way to impress your CFI is actually to be right on time, right? And when I mean right on time, that's not the time that actually the reservation starts. That's 30 minutes prior, an hour prior. You have so much time that it actually leads on to the next one as well, is being prepared. So if you are able to be on time, you'll be able to be prepared for your CFI for the next one, right? And being prepared has a lot to do with your mindset, your stress, the anxiety you are when you're on the plane. There's so much more intensity that you actually are in the moment. And if you're able to actually have all that mindset, like, hey, I could actually follow my steps, do my pre-flight and take my time through everything instead of being there right when the reservation starts. And then now we're getting pushed back on things, right? And then what leads to that, the third one, you could actually go online, and there's a lot of good content on our channel on YouTube where you could sit there at home an hour prior to your flight, 2 hours prior to your flight, and be able to actually watch somebody actually perform the maneuver steps and visually see it. And then you're visually being able to like kind of see what's going on in there before you get in the actual plane. You could read it on the maneuver guide, you could share flight, and now you could visually see it on the content that we have. If you're able to look back to the videos, you'll see all the things that will help you impress your CFI. So if you're a student that is about to tackle maneuvers, click on this link above. This is a playlist full of maneuvers that's gonna help you impress your CFI. All right guys, that wraps up today's video on 3 ways that you can impress your CFI. If you are interested in becoming a student pilot, check the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on some future videos.